CAF Interclub competition final in Japan, he lost. Okay. Domestically, he has won some cups. He is more of a developmental coach than a trophy chasing coach. Now, the Biami catcher say, Yedi Juma Mobia. Now, she di Pacrono Montua O2. A bet mam one di Pacrono, na Jim Per when it him. Eh, be no mecanchel, but who bet me home. Son on a ma boxer no. After round 2, or buy no catch the corner and say, when we are going to plan in. And the moment was identifying the plan there, Chese or Quaco Buaquanacuno. And on Busan said, Aquana plan and the son was a quana person or Nukuno, Tonyadio could be on to town. No, Umbia want to cry to me, the uppers away. And Asante Kotoko board, no, officially, they have not communicated their intent. But we can deduce from the Omoya and say, appointing Stanley, I don't know, or developmental oriented. Or no, I believe in the IAS system. Choose up the IAS. Omo born Omoya Ewo Netherlands on. And yet, Chinchi Champions League, but IAS, Titino, Omo Champions League at Totos of the view. IAS at Champions League to me and Salty Tibrimno. And nay, Kotoko, a first Stanley Menzo. Nakotko for opinion at Eric Tinkler account. Oh, yeah, supporter. You have to minimize your expectation on trophies and begin to understand and appreciate that Omo Babe a project. When a project of Japan. Yeah. Tisesi ani manimu ya de oya supporter. Na wo twen kruwa. Pacho ebeche. Abja pesa majampo.
Richard Pepe arrange the fella.
Krata ne bose ya aya ya jebre na ya wuram. Na dwuma bi ohun bia ne aye.
Nice one.
Kabiru wo krata ne bi wo. Mama last page no. Na ezumi ko baby I sign krata no because over 2 months in na mbaka cha say lawyer.
Yes.
Alexander Kofi Osei Owusu. Obasan so ayadwuma as the communications director at the Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
Lebeka kire mo ha.
Yes.
Asante Kotoko any amansan kitawdie no public interactions. A krata bia bia bon say signed by AK Osei Owusu Esquire. Our secretary to the Kotoko board.
Nice.
But Osei so act as Kotoko's communications director. And I'm the penny krata ya. Opinion anansa eshasia or the announce Asante Kotoko new coach. Kotoko for afano ejumano. Ayono anansa eshasia.
Nice one.
Abusia Makacho say Eric Tinkler is not a proven winner.
Yeah.
Say all the criteria no koyo obi a ogigi nkuru abebrebe a. Ene wan hwe pe asem no bedane. Onye proven winner. Nemum why adwuma nso akese afan ya Japan.
Okay.
Why adwuma akese. O hwe South Africa omo MTN top 8 na. Or the Super Sports J. Super Sports J 2017-2018. And a 16-17 so South African Cup winner, South African Cup, to say FA Cup no. And so the Cape Town for no. Eje inti wa coach ya che ni coaching career no. Espane a very long time. But a young crew bebrebe asem. Why a developmental coach. And when ya football director also believe in development. And a Kotoko vision yes eh. Omo be develop players no. Now fe actually omo compete for crew into way I kakra yinim. Now Abjapani.
Yes sir.
Oya Kotoko supporter yensan eni animu na yenkyere we. Coach no. Sign or ball na good yen etesen. Etio Ghana what is you say club bia or Europe. Akwakofa Pep Guardiola. You don't need a rocket scientist to come and tell you say Pep babe ball a certain style and brand of football. So what is you say team be akwakofa Antonio Conte. Unim Antonio Conte the oba be dia betim no.
Yeah.
Jose Mourinho Madrid as appointed him. Everybody knows and he appointed Eric Tinkler. Sankoya adwuma we kuro mu ankobia nim de obeye. Sekotoko appointed coach at say Bashir for that. Abushan ko bia ni Bashir for the obabe. But when the nipa nim no nti quickly na ya activity ya research no.
Fantastic.
Ni akwa yi e de aba. Abusha pensa me champ.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Last season coach ni team no about 30 games. Or conceded 27 goals. And I want to share 32. In the course of the season, I don't identify says some of the Samba Ebano.
Okay.
Because no defense in Eliki. But when we are free when tend the Chirasem.
Right.
As a penny, Eric Tinkler on the style of play, no. A high intensity, aggressive front foot approach. High intensity, aggressive front foot approach.
Wow.
On your coach or teacher Bobra there be. Now he's a coach of blending defensive discipline with fast-paced attacking sequences. It's the team, no, solid at the back.
Yes.
But when they gain possession, omunya team a omo recycle ball won finfin bebrebe we no de ma we no attach it no twa ho da bi ni team no a fast paced attack and omo build it.
Okay.
Enti amfa Kotoko sisi e Kotoko ye o we. Imano Kote ebo as the right back obotu. Patrick do about 3.
Yeah.
What the ball na tata Kotoko na mi yusu players a omo sisi e. E bia Zakaria Fuseni a winning ball no Kotoko chire ho. Bia na Prince Badu and able 6 and we winning. Double na winning or winning ball na obesha flanks so say defenders na move ya no dey amom quickly near drew attacking third. Sir and Eric Tinkler Zapani or bought the game no.
Fantastic.
Ti normally you bought 4-2-3-1. And strikers so abri ya ope ba ku say.
Okay.
No the two wingers and then number 10 ejina nechi.
Fantastic.
The 4 in attack normally no. Two wingers, one creative midfielder, and one prima punta, sharp striker, ujina anymore. Na Otton Tran Ede Amano. Ayana coach, normally or adjusted to the philosophy of club after Jumano.
Okay.
A tuition ni coaching career, clubs now coaching now. Based on what the club wants to do, project na club na and I'm a coach in a but on your beer or dogmatic. Some media ni hayanam jina. Oya me dan me tari there be ne de nya no bi. Nto obi otimi adapt no adjust quickly. Economy. Abusua?
Yes sir.
Our system be say o deploy no a friend midfield domination. Compact midfield. That ubonso all ball a compact midfield game no. About 2 holding midfielders, 1 central midfielder, 1 creative midfielder.
Okay.
Especially a away game a more dear. Eric Tinkler about 2 holding midfielders. Tiamfa Kotoko, Prince Badu and Hilaria Dabo. Any 2 holding midfielders. No?
Yes.
No about a central midfielder in Abia Kojo set.
Yes.
Emmanuel Antwi. Walid Neymar Emubako abo as the central midfielder.
Yeah.
No the Hubert Joe Ejrao as the creative midfielder. No about a typical compact 4-man midfield. That some system of Tabanawi.
Okay.
Obo home the out deploy the 4-3-3.
Nice one.
4-3-3 where Obo 3 midfielders. No about 3 attackers. So Obo home the 3 midfielders and 1 holding, 1 central, 1 attacking. 3 midfielders. Nafi would deploy 2 wingers and the attacker akanai 4-3-3. Opportunity at the Eric Tinkler.
The original fella man, Richard Pepe shall raise.
The papa no nyoma bet ma be ni bi na busapanyi. Ye bie so at the actual. Now,
Nice one.
young fellas nim kakra Asante Kotoko ye. So now no be me bo din akira say on paper. Omo a pencil some names down. Some names now and paying for a pencil down. Abusua names are one ma mono answer ni papa no. Na coach yi bayi ya start pre-season no. Still so when to be more home so. Na one agya okwan. Now Stanley Menzo adding komo bi abusapanyi but answer na Kabiru ko ayi nafa picture of Eric Tinkler, Stanley Menzo and Mr. James Osei Brown Joe shop photo page so ema misisi e na men kan cho se sa emfonyini abusapanyi. It was taken in Mr. Diama Kabiru ni was saying it was taken in Accra.
Okay.
Sisi ano mo twa picture no sisi e o mu twa ni.
Felaman.
Yeah, o mu twa picture ni. Enti on the far left Stanley Menzo. In the middle Eric Tinkler. Okay. And on the right side no Kotoko's executive chairman Mr. James Osei Brown aka Joe Shop.
Picture in the down.
Yeah, we nya Kotoko secretariat wa.
Brakoma 87.9 FM on Facebook. Uti na o shana so picture in the down. Obi abon the Kotoko cap.
Yeah.
Kama.
Enti
fabulous.
O sha o machi na no mde ato no. Eric Tinkler, head coach. Eno wachiri no.
Nice one.
And Asante Kotoko. Empenyu for a 2 year penny. One assign contract. And the American say a 2-year contract. And Asante Kotoko. And Eric Tinkler assigning.
Okay.
Our Baba Jumano. I did am a crop here. Asante Kotoko metema. So we the first pictures are Ababonte. I walk Kotoko unveiling. And I say Kotoko outdooring of their coach, you know. Now we were mind to say we mean Sir Obabana and St. Joffo. Also, any no enya encounter. Send the Quationa. Ya busa bia it we emfonyina busapanyi ya de emao ewo yem pages young queen abusapanyi sama champo
Richard Pepe shall read the Felaman.
Now to Phyllis ne kakra yenyi kakra emfama ya na hefo no.
Nice one.
Emmanuel Antwi ene Walid Neymar. Emmanuel Antwi Walid Neymar. Asante Kotoko director of football busapanyi ni nkomo die ne nneoma no wadidi nkomo na kwachire kakra na opanyin no of the opinion say dia wate dia for players at say Walid ho.
Okay.
Dia wate dia for Emmanuel Antwi mo no enya sa ball na no mo ball no ba bi o mo no me ball no Kotoko no.
Okay.
So the man has decided obusa mpanyin for no be question say Send an Antwi born a Tiansa na Obaba Kotoko. And they spoke highly of Antwi
at Great Olympics.
Then Bob Ben and Walid abo Krima Moko fan by especially. I won't sue at any idea. They spoke highly of him. Was any year. Yanja Yenia Kofa Diamubo Mudi Abasu ya Masho videos I'm saying ye ba. No, most of us first through the same problem. No man deliver.
Yes, sir.
There is a lifeline for Emmanuel Antwi and Walid Neymar. Lifeline.
Wow.
Stanley Menzo, the director of football. On the head coach, Eric Tinkler, Edin Koma. Omu Ajia Tumse. Person mo share Emranjini B. I will preseason kakra.
Wow.
Not probably. Ebi omunfa afedem fa mo no omunfa nhwe wo mo. No mo hwese de besi akọ.
Nice one.
It's a huge lifeline and abujapanyi. Aba ade ama Emmanuel Antwi and Walid Neymar. Emmanuel Antwi to stay. Me can say 85 to 90%.
Wow.
Walid to stay no kwade 92%. So Walid ne signed 3 years of the 1 year penaba.
Yeah.
Walid came in with some injury concerns, injury problems, and all of that. And Pennyfo decided say there be adru. Wamo ebema Walid Neymar. Full-time attention being na yen study the interest going forward no obetumi abo game na said the etienne edia maya na ete no ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ a ɛkɔ so ebisa pɛsɛ mɛ jambo
Richard Pepe surrender the fella
Asante Kotoko hɔ a na de phobia fɔ mbɔ bɔ mi nya hwee me ba later ma bɛyɛ house deɛ
kwasi prempe bisa sɛ phobia ɛnyɛ fella bia
oba bewuram ɛwɔ Asante Kotoko so yɛ a apart from players anano wɔn ɛkɔ medical sɛ maka kyerɛ sɛ in batches second batch no nso akɔyɛ
okay
obia bɛyɛ bi abusɛ panyin obia Kotoko player bia bɛyɛ bi
yeah
agye sɛ ɔmo ne Kotoko contract awu ɔmo kɔ no ɔmo de ɔmo kɔ but wɔ Kotoko because the intent is to loan you out or something but the director of sports any head coach ɔmo pɛ absolute information about players ni obia and some information key ɛyɛ o health status no eti nkɔmɔdie ne sɛ wɔnom ɛkɔ ɔmo anim na afei ɔmo ayɛ players ni nyinaa obia medical check up no ɛde ama no ɔmo wie a ɔmo bɛtoa so ayɛ deɛ aka no but ɛnɛ yɛ Friday Saturday Sunday Monday na training ɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ Adekugyaakye
wow
Monday training na ɛbɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ Adekugyaakye tɛbusua yɛmfa ɛnsi na yɛnyɛ mu ɛmfa ma mo yɛba bebree ɛna aka akyire yɛbɛyɛ ne nyina ho adwuma